We got a new toy to play with at the studio. It's fucking sick. Weeaboos number 2. Oh, I didn't even realize it. And it's pouring rain outside today. It's a good day to be inside playing video games, right? I agree. I need all these plugs. Oh, fuck. Damn it. Has anything about your rig changed, Andrew, in the past couple months since the last LAN?
No, I get paid next week.
What are you gonna get?
Probably a new motherboard. What
you're looking at?
Something better.
Alright, now what is in this beast?
Okay, so we have started off, we have an i7 69, I think, 6900. I just got that. We have 16 gigs of RAM, DDR4. It's got a MSI 1070 in it. Other than that, it's just got your basic 250 solid state, terabyte hard drive, and 750 watt power supply, and then a water cooler, and then a case. So.
Would you open it up for us?
You smell that?
I smell what?
That's still. I was like, he was talking about his computer.
So is yours. I like yours more than mine. Fight for Legion. What can I say?
It's the wrong fucking side. Yeah. Alright, hold on.
Alright, guys.
Why didn't you just plug that one into the wall behind you?
Yeah.
The power fucking paradox.
I'm sitting here, I'm like, what the fuck, dude? This is making it so much harder. Now we open the other side, and now you get to see the inside of it.
Sorry.
That was a neat problem. I didn't know what fucking side it was. Okay.
Alright. Holy shit. Mighty 1070.
I got like 6.
I didn't see any of him. I didn't see him put any of this in. So.
Can I touch it?
Yeah. I got this USB fan, but it keeps disconnecting my USB ports and just keeps do-doot. My inner child is very happy. Thank you, Putnam. Sticks are a little sweeter than I remember.
It's like, oh wait, they can't get their fix.
Gathering of the Weeaboos.
Look at this console peasant. Shame the peasant. Shame the peasant. Shame. It's okay. You're still a good machine. We're just kidding.
They're fucking molesting my machine.
You have a special place in our heart.
It ain't gonna float on water unless it has power.
Don't work on water unless you've got power.
Netflix and chill.
Shit, dude.
Yeah, we can do it right now if you want to.
You're so sweaty. Netflix and chill. You look like you've already Netflix and chilled. What are you playing, Jessica?
I don't want anybody to see. It's
The Game Boy version of Pod Racer. Oh my fucking god, this game is horrible. A little bit of a tour through our Weeaboo den. This isn't finished yet. We have.
Avery isn't here. It's not truly a Weeaboo den yet.
We're not even done yet. Look at this shit. Oh my god. This is tour down Weeaboo Lane.
Hey, you know, at some point we should start kicking lights.
Bringing them down.
You got so many lights in here. Holy shit, dude.
Let's kick off the main ones. That'd actually be pretty cool. Or kick off some of the lights in here and see how it looks. That's a little bit better.
That is upsetting. Fuck just happened. Seriously? It was that strip right there. It was our strip. This strip right here?
That's not.
Yeah, everybody. We have great
Sorry.
ideas and then it fucks everything over, doesn't it?
That was not a great idea.
Oh. I did not know that was.
No, actually, no.
Brad, you're the only person to not feel the stick.
And it won't even. Good night, sweet internet.
Why didn't my light go out? We didn't blow a fuse. We didn't. What the fuck? Was it the power? Did we
It was
over?
probably the power strip.
Do you think it's fried?
Right now. No, it's not fried. That power, this whole...
Well, this fucking sucks. All right, what are we doing here?
Did you blow a breaker?
I'm gonna go check inside here. We got breakers out here, isn't it? Yeah, it is. This is gibberish. This is fucking gibberish. They're labeled badly and they have all rubbed off over time, so I gotta flip each one manually. What the fuck? Hello? Fucking, oh my god! Jesus Christ, you scared the shit out of me. Can't even see you.
Imitating Harambe.
Dicks out for dicks out. Cock a flopping. Jay, come in here. You got to restart your computer. This is what happens to us
When you have too much dank.
Yeah, look at this. We were way too dank. We went way too dank. We're gonna go danker though. Here we go. We got the lights back on. Turns out it was a faulty power strip. Would you like a one or a two slices? Ooh, this looks delicioso. But no, I might bring you your pizza. We just started streaming. My fucking computer is the worst fucking thing ever. This is literally cancer. Oh my god, look at this. There we go. The fuck?
I don't know, do you think SWAT 4 is gonna run on this?
Run on this.
If he runs though, they
tear
can run
you
a
up.
game.
My computer will tear ass. It's better than that fucking X-Boner over there. Will Damon Tools light actually open? And it doesn't seem to want to open at all. One thing I think, here we go, here, I got one idea. I think that might be the problem. Oh, fuck. Oops, shit. Fuck, oh, fuck. Okay, well the problem was I had two monitors open, but my other monitor isn't off, but it's still plugged in. Damon Tools was technically open on that extended monitor. I went to switch the monitors, I switched my main monitor to the one that was off. Oh, okay, thank you, thank you. Oh, okay.
Your monitors.
Is it not working?
No, it'll work now. It should work now. I'm so stupid. I gave myself a heart attack.
What the fuck is it?
Get it off my shit! I ain't touching it. Fucking God.
Will you turn into a...
What have you done to me?
I feel like he's gonna kill civilians.
I kill everybody. I
Probably.
discriminate.
Hopefully that one actually transforms right. It's the last one.
The last one was retarded.
The last one was retarded? Are you sure he just wasn't you? Oh, that was fucking hot. Yeah, I didn't get any of that, but we knew what happened. It's like you're looking at me in my eyes, but all I'm looking at is the fucking screen.
I'm looking through you.
Yeah, I know, it's God. It's
looking
fucking
into
scaring
your
me.
soul.
Oh God.
I'm absorbing it.
I'm now
Stealing
aroused.
it.
Sad.
Shouldn't really matter. I mean, the
Do you have any black friends?
Yes, I do.
I thought you were a Nazi. You were German.
Doesn't mean keep your enemies closer.
Wrote one by piece, you know? Little filet mignon.
Bamba made my build.
Bamba made yours too?
Yeah, he did.
Bamba's the PC master. Nice job, Flame. Good job. If you fucking dab, you are the fucking cancer of the world.
I'm gonna shove it in your butt.
So good.
Fucking crazy.
Chug. That's irresponsible.
We're not sponsored by Sennheiser, but go buy these.
Wait, what are you looking for? Your laptop?
We can't be this attached thing.
Sometimes I need a break. Bamba! Have you seen the second one? Yeah.
Here, give me that. Do you have a lighter?
Jess, can you throw me a lighter? You drove me all the way over here to do this. Throw me a lighter.
That's it. We're all done. That's all we got.
No, that's not good. That one doesn't work. We blew that one already.
Shit. That,
No, there's there's a
fucking problem.
Is that connected to that?
This is connected to that. This is called daisy chaining. And I learned one thing in the career center is that that's bad.
We already done it.
I don't want to do it. All right, we're doing it. Watch out for electrostatic discharge.
What you reading, Jess? Oh, good book. Not that I've read it.
I'm testing build quality. This is a comparison between whatever the fuck this is.
I hope you know you're making fun of Jeremiah's laptop.
Sorry, Jay. Alright, and now watch. We can open it with one finger, screen warping, whatever. This depending is bad.
That's not as bad.
It doesn't like. It wiggles a little bit if you get really aggressive with your typing. So if you're typing an angry Tumblr feminist post or whatever, then you'll be like, you won't be able to see what you're doing because your screen's shaking too much. But I mean, it's the same thing with this. You get all aggressive with it, just kind of like,
As long as you have
keyboard doesn't like warp at all when you push hard on it. This is great. This is amazing. Trackpad feels like a trackpad. Yep, definitely a trackpad. All right, that's no different. And then you just put it back in your backpack and you're good. Laptops is booba. This is hentai. Tentacle porn.
You know what time it is.
Yeah.
We have to watch the fight with earbuds because there's no other source of sound here.
Come on! If this comes back and Connor's on his back, I'll be fucking pissed. 96! Big that ass!
Mark that ass, boy.
Oh my dude, what the fuck? Dude, calm the fuck down. What's going on over here? It's alright, dude. It's just a game.
Hey. What?
Hey.
Stop it.
What the fuck? What the fuck, kid?
It's my spit. Why are you wiping
hit me with it. I don't care.
I don't like it. Take it back. Live reaction. We just finished the fight to who won. Decision. I have a bad feeling about this. I'm either going to scream yes a lot or I'm going to be heartbroken. I waited 5 months for this fight.
Yes.
And I'm rooting for Connor. That takedown may have sealed it. I'm so nervous right now, dude. If this buffers right before the announcement, I'm gonna kill myself.
Oh shit, here it goes.
He did it! He did it! Yes! He did it! Yes! Yes! He did it! What's up, motherfuckers? Woo!
Click on the video, you faggot. You soft fucking marshmallow faggot. Click on the fucking video. I can't wait to watch the Joe Rogan Experience with Conor McGregor.
Stand up, you gotta get the pose. Stand up.
Fuck that bitch! He's not standing!
You gotta stand.
You know what you're saying? He's not standing! Yeah. Okay.
Is there a bookshelf?
No, there's like a painting right over there. God damn it! Amber alert! Amber alert!
Hold on. Let me interrupt this very special.
There we go.
Let you learn. Ooh, I saw something. Oh my God.
just said now we know where that
I just fucking downloaded Pornhub because it was like, it's got integration. It's got with Google Cardboard.
It stopped. The money shot stopped or it just stopped?
It stopped.
Is it buffering?
Oh, it's buff. Oh my god.
Well, that's bad. Fuck the power in port. I'm so mad. Like, fuck. Best way to put the battery in, do as I say, not as I do. And then we're gonna hit the power button, and the laptop's is gonna start up just fine. So we're gonna take it out, right? Now, laptops can boot without a battery in them as long as they're plugged in. So I'm gonna come over here, and I'm gonna plug this little shit in. And then we're gonna push the button. Alright, listen, I fucking hate my... What the fuck is this sorcery? What the hell is
Something tells me you're just bad.
The whole fucking night, I've been fucking messing around with this shit. What the fuck?
You upsetting?
I'm very upsetty. I think I need some... What the hell?
An adult?
I am very upset. I spent the whole night trying to fix this fucking thing.
No, that wouldn't work.
Because... Okay, listen. It was just a one-time thing, right? It can't possibly happen twice, right?
Yeah, you are fucked, man.
I'm gonna go just like, where's Putnam's weapon? I wanna respect it really hard. Listen, I thought about this the whole night, okay? Don't tell me to stop and think. It fucking worked!
Let's fucking put it back together. Stop wasting your money.
I didn't waste my money. I saved.
You almost fucking broke it, so yeah, you did.
It probably is still broken. I don't know what the hell happened, but...
You took it apart and you shouldn't have.
That's not a big deal. Like, this is like any normal computer, it's just...
Broken now.
Actually, I don't fucking know. We're gonna put it back together and we're gonna find out. We're calling this Tech Time with TJ. Right. It's fucking insane. Don't you call me names. I'm fucking... You. You. All you fuckers calling me names.
Andy Bob's back at it again.
Linus Tech Tips is watching this and he's like, that's just the most fucking retarded thing I've ever seen. And then I'm gonna cry because honestly, he's like my role model. This is the computer. Like, this is... This
Yeah, I know.
It's kind of fucking hilarious.
And you're fucking up, dude.
Triggered.
And you know you're fucking up.
Yeah. See, I'm gonna put it all back together and it's not gonna work.
Yeah, I know.
I mean,
you're gonna have to drive to Detroit and get a new one.
So is it, when did you get this laptop, Bob?
Today.
No,
Earlier today.
no, it was like 11 hours ago.
Yeah.
Yeah, so within the past...
Not even fucking 24
Not even 24 hours.
Not even 12 hours.
Yeah, let alone 12.
Why?
Masterpiece.
I can't... I gotta take things apart, man. Fucking...
Then don't buy a fucking laptop.
Okay, this is where the monitor connects to the rest of the computer. It's kind of a pain in the ass to put back together, but you know, little SSD right here, SATA SSD, and I wanted to put it in. You put it in like right here, I think. I couldn't even get it in there because I need a fucking mini SATA, which is half the fucking size. Yeah, it's really hard to find information on this laptop because it was made for like Micro Center only. It's working. It's working. I guess I'm just gonna get a regular SSD and just...
May as well just have that be external like this on your desktop.
I'm gonna lay down on the ground outside and just roll around for a little bit. As long as I'm not charging the battery, so I'm not crazy. Fucking sorcery that goes on in tech. Know any good luck charms?
It's over here.
Spirit fingers.
Better have.
Wait, put the camera in there.
I don't think that's how it works.
Who cares? Does it show anything?
Kinda, only through one eye.
What are you doing?
I'm looking for the painting.
Left. You're almost there. A little bit more.
Is that the painting? Yes.
The guy has stamina.
Will you turn that off, please?
Yeah, I'm turning it off right now. At least the audio.
So what happens if you walk in there and they say your warranty's voided?
Then
See, it's not even
I
hard to make
raise
a full
hell
360.
and I say that I bought it.
I should never have gave you that screwdriver.
You shouldn't have. You should have said we don't have a screwdriver.
See, Bamba knows what he's done wrong.
But yours was an easy fix. This has been an all-night fucking like.
Well, no, like usually, well, there's usually like right in your face, laughing right in your goddamn face.
This is not laughing in my face. This is cackling. I think the cool thing though is that we've discovered the innards of this laptop and it's pretty good. I think that's the battery light. What did I do?
Did you fix it?
Asshole.
It's charging. Alright, I'm scared now because I don't want to fuck it up. This is the most progress I've made all night on this. Battery's still charging while it's off. Now, if I unplug it,
8 to 11 hour shifts.
now it should boot with the battery in there.
It's gonna be like work.
Now if I plug her in,
That's no grid zone.
battery's not charging, but Avery's mentioned that there's this weird thing that happens. I might have to turn it on without the battery in it every time. And then put the battery in, which, I mean, that's fine, I guess. Honestly, I mean, like, this is basically like hot wiring your computer every time you want to turn it on. So it turns on when you do that, but then you go ahead and you plop.
What the fuck? It did it again.
I've figured it out.
Have you?
This is the weirdest okay. To get it to charge the battery, what you have to do is you have to take the battery out, right? Then you have to unplug this.
You may not have to do that because the first time you did that happen, you didn't. I don't think you unplugged it. But I mean,
Then once you plug it back in, you turn it on, put the battery in, and it.
You know you wouldn't have this problem if you didn't fuck with it.
I wanted it.
I would take it back. You royally fucked it over.
Just say, I don't know
And that's
what
why you
happened.
don't fuck with laptops.
Generally, in my history of small electronics repair, I've been a lot worse than desktop
Like
repair.
$600 out of your pocket?
Yeah, well, desktop repair, I'm like stellar at. Like, unless
That's a desktop, not a laptop.
I know.
Yep.
They're the same things, just
No,
that
they don't.
one's
No.
like
No, they're not.
one's like
They really
no.
aren't. If they were the same thing, you would have been able to fix it easy.
well,
Eh.
they are.
No,
if I,
you
if
can't
I,
defend yourself
If I took
on
this
this.
off, there'd be a GPU chipset under here.
okay.
I hope
if it
you
took-
stab it and break it even more.
No, I'm just saying. Fundamentally, they're the same. They're just really fucking compact. You see?
Okay.
He's getting upset with that screwdriver, so eventually he's just gonna fucking jab it into it.
Into that or himself, either one
Both.
is fine. He left his fucking peanuts open that he made me buy, dude. I'm taking these home.
He comes back and he's like, where's my peanuts?
Dude, it's just fucking peanut.
Email me and ask questions. I ask the questions in my emails. Do you want to make $3 million? No. Do you want to make $3 million?
Well, I can't tell you how.
If he comes back and asks where these fucking peanuts
I'm gonna shoot him in the neck. Let's see him.
Just leave a note that says these nuts.
This is a happy bombo.
The screw in here is causing a short.
fucking stopped paying for cable and just got Netflix and like, but she didn't
it kills
upgrade
the
the internet plan.
Wait, what?
She didn't upgrade the internet plan.
God fucking did.
So
it.
basically,
It's just regular house Spectrum. Because when we built it, I was like, Bamba, do we need this? And he was like, no, and I threw it away. I was like, all right.
Nice one, Bombo.
It was really
it
scary.
was open box. It shouldn't have a warranty.
It does. Yeah.
Yeah, he bought the full.
He got
everything
warranty.
But usually, when you take shit apart, you avoid the warranty.
Now the fun part begins. Cleaning up. All these cords and all these computers need to get out of here today. It spooked me.
Oh my god.
Spooked me so much I farted. Fuck off. I've had a lot of gas the past few hours.
No, look at this.
I have an upset
It's the
stomach.
thing, it was the thing right next to my ground.
I've got the place looking a little bit better. I gotta wipe off this fucking table. Somebody spilled Coke all over it. You dirty, dirty bastards, you.